Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video we're going to talk about how to double your Hamster Kombat tokens. All right, so as you can see here, please, before we start, if you are new to my channel, I need you to subscribe now. Okay, so as you can see here, before the listing date, everyone is trying to meet the criteria for the airdrop. Everyone is trying to buy these cards, is trying to get this card, and the only way that you are going to get this card to the final premiere, you see this one, I have got all the cards. In the second one, this one I have got only 3, and the third one I have got only 1. This one I have got 4, this one I've got 2, this one I've got 3, this one 5, 4, and stuff like that. So what we are fighting for here, everyone is trying to get all this card because these are the requirements for the airdrop. All right, they say they are going to pay based on what you have here, based on your records. All right, so, and if you really need to buy this card, you need money, you need tokens. Everyone need token to buy this. That's why I'm going to show you how to earn tokens, how you are going to get tokens. You'll be getting 10 million, 20 million, depend on how much time you have. All right, so let's go and see. Let's go to game playground. I'm going to show you mini game. You see this mini game, not the puzzle one. Hexa puzzle. I'm talking about hexa puzzle. You see this hexa puzzle, you touch it like this. When you touch it, it's gonna open like this. It's gonna show something like this. Then you touch play. When you touch play, this is the game. So I'm going to play for some minutes and I'm going to show you the result. All right, I'm going to play for some minutes. I'm going to show you the result. All right. So as you can see here, after some minutes of playing, I have got over 11,324,477. So as you can see, playing this game is very easy. You just need to take any color next to a similar color, next to the similar color. As you can see, this yellow, I'm going to put it next to this, which is the similar color. Next to this, I'll just put it here. You see, this one I'll put it in the middle to gather these three together. You see, I've gathered these three together. You see, this one will join, and this one with the same color. You see, I've got 54,000. That is 54,000. I've got 54,000 here. I've got 54,000 again. You see, this is how you are going to be playing this game. It's very easy. It's very easy. So this is how you'll be gathering your points. We gather millions of points as long as you stay. You see, I've got 54, almost 100 and something thousand at the same time. All right, you see 59,000. So this game is easy and you're going to earn points. You know, when you are less busy, you join this game and it is easy. Just put the color next to the same color. All right, you see this one, I'll put in the middle so that these three can be in the same box. You see, I've got 59,000. This one to join this one, put this one alone. This one will gather the point here. You see, I have this one, the other one, I'll put this one here. All right, you see, so it is what it is. It is very easy. You see, I've got 65,000. See, you see, as easy as that. All right, so you can multiply, you can double your hamster tokens if you wanted to playing this game. You see 59,000. By everyone you get 59,000 plus. You see 65,000. This one, you see them. You see this one, 70,000. You see this one, 54,000. This is how you keep playing this game. You see, it's very easy. There's nothing like game over as long as you are following the rules in here. All right, so please thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, I need you to subscribe because I'll be updating you back to back.